What's going on, YouTube? Got another video today. I'm gonna go ahead and address this little issue I've been having. I've been having a misfire in one of my cylinders for about a couple weeks now. All the parts finally came in today. Got my spark plugs and coils right here. So I'm gonna go head over to my friend's house, pick up them tools, and get to work. All right, just made it over to the house. Not the worst thing in the world, but let's hurry up and cut it off. It gets too hot. Got the engine bay. Oh boy, this Beamer. Alright, we got all the pieces. Got the toolbox set up here. First things first, gotta take the beauty cover off, engine cover, whatever you call it. I got a 10mm socket. I'm gonna take these pieces off, and then I'm gonna just record as I go. Alright, so I just took the engine cover off, unclipped these things here, connectors. Now I'm about to take the 10mm bolts off each coil. Go from there. So we have another job in the future. Definitely got to take care of. There's a bunch of oil in the cylinders and stuff. Definitely the valve cover. And I mean, as you can see, it's been like this since I bought the car. So take care of that eventually, but I have time right now. All right, we got the new spark plug in there. Took it out and then took the old one out, put the new one in, and torqued it down to spec, 14 foot-pounds. I'm about to drop the new coil in there. Denso. Guess we'll just line it up. And then we'll bolt it in there, connect it up, be good to go. Then I'll do the same thing for the rest, but I won't really record it. And then I'll see y'all at the end. All right, we got everything back into place. Got the new plugs in there, new coil packs, everything connected up. Go ahead and fire it up. Good to me. Alright, so we just finished up. Got all the trash and stuff in the box. I'm gonna take it back home, throw it away. Job went pretty smooth. Took a little bit longer than I would have liked, just because I was trying to record and got distracted talking and stuff. But yeah, man, this is my Beamer friend and stuff. I don't know if you can see him over there, but yeah, he's got a E92 335i. He actually helped me when I had mine. I had an E90, the 4-door sedan, 6-speed. But yeah, his is a 6-speed. He's a speed demon, so he's got his shit souped up. I don't know how much horsepower. He might have like 500 or something. He's got fucking flex fuel mix, whatever. I don't know, something with ethanol in his shit. His is definitely full bolt on. Stage, whatever the fuck. But yeah, man, hopefully I can get some content later on. I'm gonna head back to the house, and I'll catch y'all next time.